Hey guys, I'm Tom from Mr. Poolman. Let's talk about cartridge filter elements. Water Technics replacement elements are a premium high-performance aftermarket element, identical in quality to the original at a fraction of the price. A perfect swap for your cloudy pool. All Water Technics cartridge filter elements have powerful filtration performance with dirt locking technology to capture more debris than standard pool filter material. Water Technics filter elements are constructed with high flow reinforced cores to ensure they do not collapse or implode. Why buy from us? Mr. Poolman is Australia's leading retailer of aftermarket filter elements with over 190,000 happy customers. What about the maintenance? Water Technics elements have strong pleats and supporting bands around each filter to increase the longevity and reduce the maintenance. All filters come with a 12-month warranty and are backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We love them too. Shop the range of filters from Mr. Poolman and enjoy free and fast shipping options, 60-day returns, and lifetime pool expert support. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, please drop us an email to support@mrpoolman.com.au. I'm Tom, happy swimming.